everybody, this is Audrey. This is my first cooking video. I'm going to show you guys some real Chinese food. Okay, today what I'm going to cook is cucumber. What do we need is just one cucumber and several cloves of garlic and some cilantro. Okay, and some seasonings like sweet sauce and vinegar, sesame oil, salt, and sugar. Okay, now let's start it. First, what we need to do is we need to peel the skin off. We just use this. It's very simple and easy. Just do it like this. Be careful your fingers. Okay. We'll peel off the cucumber skin. Now, get your knife ready. We cut the head off. What we need to do next is we need to beat the cucumbers. You may ask why this is what we do when we're in China, and it will make the taste feel better because more juice will come out. Okay, just look at me. Stay hard, like this. Okay, when it's open like this, we will turn the other side. Okay, after we beat it, now you can cut it. Cut it into the small pieces. Okay, now we get a clean plate. Put the cucumber into the plate. It's not that hard. Okay, now let's get ready for the sauce. First, we clean the knife. Okay. First, we chop this into small pieces. If you like it, you can put more. Put it in the bowl. And we'll chop the garlic to small pieces. Okay, just like this. Put in the bowl. Okay, next we put, if you like it tastes like a little bit sweet, you can put more, but what I'm going to do is put kind of like a half tablespoon of sugar. Okay. And I will put about 1 tablespoon of salt. If you worry about it will be salty, so you can put a little bit less. Then later on, if you want more, you can add more. And this is sweet sauce. I will put 1 tablespoon. Or a little bit more is okay. And vinegar. I'll put 1 tablespoon too. Okay. Last is the sesame oil. If you don't like sesame oil, you don't need to put it. But I like it, so I'll put a little bit. Like half a tablespoon. A little bit more is fine. Okay, then mix everything. You can put them on top of the cucumber. If you like spicy, you can add some spicy oil on it. Will taste better or great because I'm out of the spicy oil, so I'm just going to do it like this. Then mix it. Make sure the sauce is on top of the cucumber. Okay, we're done. This is the cold dish called, in Chinese we call it 拍黄瓜, meaning is to beat the cucumbers. Like we like to eat this all the time, especially for summer. It's very healthy and it tastes good. And very simple and easy. You just need 5 minutes, then you can eat it. Okay, this is what we cooked today. Hope you like it. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bells. Thank you. See you next time. Look at who. Tissue.